How to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Instagram video selfie verification is not working properly. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. If you have any problem regarding your Instagram video selfie verification, so the first thing you have to check for the Instagram update. If your application is missing out any update, the application might not function properly. So to check for the available updates, open up the Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Instagram. If you find update button where I have opened, that means the application needs to be updated. Tap on update. Once the update is complete, now go back and open up the Instagram and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, now you have to clear application cache and data. So to do that, again, head towards the application. Tap and hold on it. Tap on app info. From here, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, all the glitches, a temporary file of the application will be cleared from this device, which might help you solve your problem. Once done, now you have to hit one step back. And from here, tap on permissions. Here scroll down a bit and make sure you have allowed permission for camera, microphone, photos and videos. If you have not allowed permission, make sure to allow it. Once you have done that, again go back, open up the application and check if the problem is now solved or not. If still not, now you may have to delete the application from your device and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. To do that, navigate to the application, tap and hold in it. Tap on app info. From here, tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Once you have deleted this application, now in order to reinstall it back, open up the Play Store and in the search bar, search for Instagram and then tap on install. Once the application is installed, open up the application, log in by providing your login credentials, and now your problem will be solved. So these are the way to fix if your Instagram video selfie verification does not work. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.